In this video, we will discuss about numbers and numbers in everyday life. Numbers are an integral part of our everyday lives. Right from the number of hours we sleep at night to the number of rounds we run around the racing track and much more. So, what are numbers? A number is an arithmetic value used for representing the quantity and used in making calculations. A written symbol like 5, which represents a number, is known as a numeral. Hence, a number is a mathematical concept used to count, measure, and label. Thus, numbers form the basis of mathematics. As for example, this is one bird and there are 3 birds. Now, numbers in everyday life. The number 1 to 12 are often seen on watches and clocks. They let us know what time it is. We plan our day and events according to time. Your birthday has numbers that tell the day, month, and year you were born. Numbers play an important role in our body too. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 hands, 2 legs, and an adult body has 206 bones. Phones have numbers to press or tap, so we can put in a phone number and talk to someone. Numbers are involved in buying and selling too. To count money and the units of an item, we use numbers. Look around your home. You might see numbers on the doors or walls, the fridge, the cooker, and many other things. Numbers are mixed up with letters on the number plates of cars, bus, lorries, and other vehicles. Numbers around the edge of a compass helps us find directions more easily. Signs along the roads often have numbers on them. They might tell us speed limits, distances, or times of the day when certain rules apply for road users. Now, the facts that matter. Numbers are used for counting, measuring, keeping things in order, indexing, etc. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. The original example are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Numbers can be represented in language with number words. Now try this.